Hello and welcome viewers. In this video we are going to talk about PHP. Here we'll discuss about its scope, features and also about our upcoming videos in this series. So some basic information about PHP. What is PHP? PHP is a server scripting language and a powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. It is open source, extensible and platform independent. So this is the basic definition of what PHP is all about. And so to get into detail, let us know what is a scripting language. So a script or a scripting language is a computer language with a series of commands within a file that is capable of being executed without being compiled. So here we do not need any compiler to compile these commands. Some of the examples of scripting languages are Perl, PHP, and the client side scripting language is JavaScript. Now, the next keyword here is dynamic web pages. So, what is dynamic web pages? So, dynamic web pages means that content of the page is different for different visitors or different for different scenarios. For example, if we consider a date that changes every day, so it needs to be changed. Here PHP comes into the picture. So we don't need to change the date conventionally by changing the HTML code every day. Rather, just a PHP script would change the date automatically every day. Open source, as most of us must be knowing that we have the access to change the source code and use it as per our requirement. And platform independent, it is supported on various platforms, which means different operating systems like Windows, Linux. Let us discuss some of the uses of PHP. It is used to create dynamic websites, login pages, forums, submission forms, and shopping carts, etc. All are a part of a dynamic website, and these all need a server-side script to perform operations. Hence, PHP is used in building these. The other aspect is to interact with the web server. PHP is used to interact with any backend database server. Using PHP, you can restrict user to access specific web pages. For example, the social media accounts. So every account holder has a different web page to see. So that's how PHP is used to restrict user to access specific web pages, and a lot more aspects are there. The other use is it is used to send and receive emails. Email softwares use PHP. It has also been used by various tech giants to develop the products like Facebook, Microsoft. Now, the question is why use PHP? So it runs on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. This language is very simple to learn and runs efficiently on the server side. It is compatible with almost all servers used today, such as Apache, IIS, etc. It supports many databases such as MySQL, Oracle, etc. It is perfectly suited for web development and can be embedded directly into the HTML code. PHP can also be used to create dynamic web pages. It is open source and it can be used for free. So the last point, that is it's open source and it can be used for free, is an important aspect of it, since it does not requires the user or the business to pay for the source code or for the technology. Now, who uses PHP? So these are the some examples of the large tech giants who use PHP: Yahoo, Google, Facebook, Wikipedia, WordPress, all use PHP in the products, and hence it. So why choose PHP? Maximum market demand, open source code, simple and easy to learn, optimized code, framework and CMS support, fast and reliable, and it is more secure. So these are some of the points which tells us that why one should learn PHP. Thank you. With this, we are about to end, and this is to tell you all that Our upcoming videos series will come soon on PHP and some lessons too.